Hey everyone, if you are a Windows Power user and you would like to open CMD on a particular folder on Windows, I'll show you a few different ways. So first one, if you open File Explorer like this one, you can type CMD on the address bar to go to CMD directly with that particular folder opened. So that will be very convenient. And the second way, right click on the folder just outside the viewing area here and then open in Terminal. By default, your terminal on Windows 11 will be Windows PowerShell. You can actually change it to command prompt if you would like the classic way. So you click on the arrow here and then go to settings, and then the default profile, you will choose command prompt and then save, and then you can close this settings tab. And then you can also close the whole terminal. So when you right click and then open in terminal, it will show you Windows command prompt instead of the default PowerShell. And then the third way is to shift and then right click if you want to view the classic context menu. So here you can also open in terminal, which is the same thing, and it will show you the command prompt because just now we already changed the default. Okay, so those are the ways to open command prompt window on Windows 11. While you might know from Windows 10 that you can actually modify the registry to right click and then open command prompt window here, but it seems like it does not work anymore for Windows 11. So if you are on Windows 10, I'll try to create a guide next time. That's all I have for you today. Thank you for watching. Subscribe.